Have you been wanting one of these white farmhouse sinks, but worried it's gonna discolor over time? Well, today I'm gonna give you a quick trick on how to keep your sink looking white, bright, and beautiful. So we always wipe out the sink every time we use it, so there's no food sitting there on the sink. However, it still honestly does get a yellow film around it, which of course none of us want. So I found this really great, easy way to get it looking bright white again, just like when we first got it. And let me show you how. So all you're gonna need to get that sink looking white again is white vinegar, baking soda, and just a little bit of patience. First, you're gonna sprinkle some baking soda generously all throughout your sink. Now, after you have a nice layer of baking soda on the sink bottom, you're gonna take your white vinegar and you're gonna pour it over the baking soda. And you'll hear it start to work. Now, you're just gonna take and rub that baking soda in with that vinegar to make a nice paste on your sink, and make sure to get it into all of the areas. It's okay if it's just like this and not rubbed in. Now, after you've used the baking soda and the vinegar to make that paste at the bottom of your sink, you're gonna give it about 30 minutes and then you'll see what happens. Now that it's sat for 30 minutes, all you're gonna do is scrub that sink, and you're gonna see how that baking soda has absorbed all that yucky brown that was sitting there on the surface. And all you're gonna do now is just wash that yucky brown down the drain with water, and you're gonna have a beautiful, clean, white sink once again. If this video was helpful to you, we'd love it if you'd leave a like on this video. And remember, if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our great weekly videos.